Welcome outside. How are you doing? It's pretty rainy. Is it not? I'm filming it raining. Is that weird? Dang it. It's like a full like 5 inches deep. Not really, but you get the point here.
No kidding.
It's pretty chilly. Yeah. Okay. Oh, is it cold, Annie?
My feet are tiny.
Is it cold, Annie?
No.
It's not?
No.
Should I go help Dad? Would that be fun?
Yeah.
Are you lying to me? Well, lying is not good, Annie. You liar. Liar, liar, plants for hire. My birthday. It's my birthday. Oh, I said that. What is your view on the current geothermic political view of the French-Canadian War?
Okay.
I don't even know what that is. I don't even know if that's a thing. Probably isn't a thing. I'm just making up stuff. What are you doing?
Putting on my shoes.
Why?
Because I'm going outside.
Weirdo. It's weird. Hey.
I'm putting on your sweatshirt, Gavin.
Why?
Because you're just warm.
Put on my Star Wars one.
Okay.
I'm silly. Oh jeez. Oh no. Oh jeez.
What?
Okay, we're good now.
This one looks better on you.
You call me fat?
Yeah.
Wow, that's racist. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Are you ready to rumble? Ba-da-da-da-ba-ba. That's not how the song goes at all. What are you doing? Is that Snapchat?
Yeah.
Okay.
What were you doing?
Nothing.
This is way too big.
I'm a vlogger now.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I've made about 8 videos that I've never uploaded to YouTube.
Which one?
And I probably never will be because my iMovies app is not open. So, yeah. It's having problems downloading stuff.
Okay, then delete it and download it.
That's a good idea. I'll try that.
That's what you have to do. Things
What?
like that.
I can't hear you. Oh, God's cold. It's like 7. Well, close enough. I don't know.
That's done.
Oh, well, I tried. So, yeah. I know.
That's how your computer died.
No, it's not. Oh my God! Oh, my toes are wet now. Go underneath the drain. That'd be hilarious. Go underneath the drain. That'd be hilarious. Where it drains out the stuff. It's like 10 times harder than it was a few minutes ago. It's intense. Oh jeez, I didn't know that you were following us. I didn't know you were still following us. You spooked me.
Yeah, plus I'm
Yeah.
not recognizable.
Yeah.
I'm super ugly.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Yeah. What a rainy day.
A little bit wet.
A little bit wet.
A little bit wet.